Hey creators, let's talk about Super Thanks, a feature that lets you earn money and connect with your viewers in a new way. I'll walk you through what Super Thanks is and how to use it. Let's get started. First, what is Super Thanks and who can use it? Super Thanks lets fans support their favorite channels while giving creators access to a new source of revenue. Viewers can buy a one-time animation on your videos and send a personalized, colorful comment to help them stand out in your comment section. Super Thanks is available for eligible creators in the YouTube Partner Program. Viewers in eligible locations can buy a Super Thanks by clicking the Thanks button under your video. There are multiple price points a viewer can purchase that each have their own special one-time animation. As an added bonus, viewers will get to post a distinct, colorful comment in your video's comment section. Super Thanks is a win-win for you and your viewers. It's a great way to increase your earning potential directly from your community. And viewers get to show support for you and your content while standing out as a top fan, and even potentially get a special shout out from you in the comment section. Now, let's walk through how to turn on Super Thanks for your channel. Setting up Super Thanks is easy and just takes a few clicks to get started. To set up Super Thanks, go to YouTube Studio Desktop, then Monetization. Click the Supers tab where you'll find Super Thanks with an on-off toggle. When it's turned on, a Thanks button will automatically appear on all previous and future videos. It will not appear on your live streams or premieres. If you ever want to turn Super Thanks off, you can toggle the switch to off. Note that when you turn it off, the button will be removed from all of your videos, but you'll still be able to see your historical earnings. Next, how can you review and manage your Super Thanks comments? To manage and moderate your Super Thanks comments, go to YouTube Studio, then Comments. From here, you can filter to see only Super Thanks comments. You can review, reply to, or heart any Super Thanks comments on your videos. Interacting with these comments is a great way to show your appreciation back to your viewers, and your recognition will go a long way with your fans. Note that you can also remove any Super Thanks comments, and if a purchaser deletes their Super Thanks comment, it will no longer appear. Now, let's walk through how to review your Super Thanks revenue. If you're looking for your aggregate earnings from Super Thanks, go to YouTube Studio, then Analytics, then Revenue. Under Transaction Revenue, you'll see your total Super Thanks earnings. If you want to see your earnings per video from Super Thanks, go to YouTube Studio, then Content. Then, select the video you want to check and go to Analytics, then Revenue. Under Transaction Revenue, you'll see earnings from Super Thanks for that video. Note that creators receive 70% of Super Thanks revenue after deductions like local sales tax and applicable App Store fees. You'll receive these earnings through AdSense. Any transaction costs, including credit card fees, are currently covered by YouTube. Finally, let's walk through some best practices for using Super Thanks as a creator. First, be sure to acknowledge and show gratitude to your viewers who buy Super Thanks. Fans love to feel appreciated, so don't forget to celebrate those who support you. It doesn't have to be complicated, so here are some easy ways you can recognize your viewers. Fans love when their favorite creators engage with them, so reply to their Super Thanks comment or give it a heart. Shout out your Super Thanks purchasers in a comment and pin it for everyone to see, or pin a viewer's Super Thanks comment to help it stand out. Give an in-video shout out or add a list of credits thanking your super fans at the end of your next video. Or you can post in your community tab, giving a special shout out to Super Thanks purchasers. Next, acknowledge content that gets high Super Thanks engagement. Is there a particular video or series that has fans sending lots of Super Thanks? Be sure to take note. Viewers might be sending them on specific content because they want more of it, and they might even ask you to make certain videos in their Super Thanks comments. So consider asking the audience to send Super Thanks on their favorite videos. This could create more engagement and encourages them to be active participants on your channel. And finally, let your fans know how you'll use the revenue from Super Thanks and show them the results. Your fans might be more likely to buy Super Thanks if they know what they're supporting, so think about directly addressing the topic on camera. Whether the money is going towards new equipment or to fund more videos, or is being used to help with your day-to-day life, your audience will appreciate the transparency and opportunity to be part of supporting you. And once you've given viewers a reason to support you, show them the results. Let fans see the benefit of their support by showing them that upgraded gear or a new series they've helped to fund. A quick shout out can make them feel like valuable contributors to your channel. For more information about Super Thanks, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.